What's up? This is me, Danny Coin. I know you guys will wonder why I'm using this account. First, this is my friend phone. The guy just registered yesterday, and yesterday evening was yesterday evening, and look at the time right now. He has 70 million, 70 million, 70 million pieces. So how does it get or how does it achieve this 70 million pieces in just one day? Let me just call it one day because if I calculate how many that if I calculate the time is up to one day. Guys, you guys need to take notes and take this very important because right now this is what I'm actually doing. What I'm showing you is what I'm doing, and you benefit a lot from it because I've benefit a lot. Benefit a lot. So first, um normally you claim your robots for those of you that know how to do it, but for now because you know that this stuff will end in the next few days, so robots will not really benefit. Robots will not really benefit or will not take you to this will not take you to achieve this. So what will take you to achieve this in a day? If you are really serious, you can make 100 million per day or 200 million per day. 200 million per day. You come over to this end, see this end here down, you click on it. Once you click on it, wait, let it load. Some of you or some of us were experiencing network, right? But it's fine. These ones that you're seeing, all these new projects that you're seeing here, please, if you know you're watching my video and you're actually on my group, if you see projects like this, new projects like this that they introduce it to you, before you click on it, ask me for the link first before you click on it. That is one thing that brought this my friend back to me because he know that this is a new project and he said that I should send him link so I can register with my link before he complete all these tasks. For those of you, so for some of you, people just using that link and you carry their problem and come and give me, please. But we're not here for that. This is why we are here. So for those of you that I know for those of you that have been doing MemeFi for a very long time and they say if you watch a video, get a code and come on, those things are very stressful, right? Yeah, I know that. Both me too. I also like I hate it die. Like if I let me tell you that I never done anyone. I've never done anyone. That is why you see that I don't talk about it. But this one right now is very easy. Like it's very easy as remember, let me show you. If you can see here now, this guy has zero, like he does not have any spin. Like he does not have any spin. So just see how in the look at time, just look at time, this is 4:30, 4:34. Just look at time. Before 4:40, we have 100 pieces, 100 spin. Just see what I'm doing. Learn very fast. There's no time to dull. Learn very fast. So yeah, watch a movie and you earn 500k plus 10 spin. 10 spin. So just what you need to do here, you just come over here, click this down here, click on it, and click YouTube channel. Just click on YouTube channel. Once you click on YouTube channel, see, do this thing fast. Did you know being a math whiz can seriously wasting of time? You come back here. As you come back here, look at the time that they give you now. Once this time goes, you will click here, complete task. Don't worry, I'll show you. I'm still doing it right now. So I'll go back again. I come back to this place. I do the first one. I'll do the second one. So this is what you'll be doing. I'll be doing and end that 100 spin in a few seconds. See? I click on YouTube channel. You take me back to their YouTube channel, and I don't need to watch any film. I just come back here and wait to that time. As I'm waiting for the time to end, I'll just go back and do some one or two things again. For one or two things, very very easy. So right now, Remember, we started this video by 17 million. Right now, with that task that I sent, I told you guys watch that video, and like the way you watch video and you scroll it back. Like, let me give you an example again for those of you that still do not get it. You just watch a video like this. You click on this, and network is bad. Network is bad, guys. So you click on this place. Okay, I've done this one already. So this one is just for me to complete my task. See? I'll just come there. Some of them I'll just watch the video, like I'll just do the way fast I am I get, and I'll just come and click and get my reward. So that is just it. So I want to show you how we do it. So you click on watch YouTube channel, just YouTube channel, and
When I was
once
a
you have come
child,
here,
I saw this.
just move this rubbish talk that talking, and you wait for this time to this time finish before you can complete your task. So if you click on completing your task, you get 500k pieces of the coin plus 10 spin. You get, so as you're waiting, you can also be doing that in some other videos. So after like before this one end, other videos will also end too. So now I'm having 110 spin, plus I was having 90 million, 70 million. Now it's 75 million. So before I spin this 100 million, I was supposed to reach 100. We're supposed to reach 100 million pieces of MemeFi. So you should do this thing. So for those of you, some of you always like still do not understand this spinning. So you look like, I'm tired to spin. No, I'm tired to spin. No, yeah, you're tired to spin. Just they make it easy for you that you just click, just hold. Yeah, see, just hold this thing, hold the button a little bit and leave it. Now you don't need to be tapping it. It will be spinning. It will be spinning for you automatic. But once you go back, once you are out of this, it will not be spinning for you. So you guys to wait to your 10 100 to your 100 spin finish before the this thing will stop. You feel me? And as you're spinning, you're earning one more reward. And if probably I spin and I get this 719, I will earn 1.3 spin. I will still get more spin to spin. So this is the reason why you should not joke on it. You should not joke on this update, guys. We only have I think today is first. We only have 8 days left for you to make sure that you watch. If you can check now, let me go back. If you can check now, the guys we still, if you check your earning now, you notice that you still have a lot of movie you need to do so that you can earn more coins. And now, so for some people, that a lot of people always come to my DM and also say that I want to buy this one, I want to buy this, buying 50k spin plus 25, it will cost you like 5k. It will cost you 5k or more than. It will cost you 5 or more than. So you have the opportunity to earn this spin for free. Then don't joke with it. Don't sleep on it. Do not sleep on it. With this spin now, you get more coins. You don't need to be tapping safe. You don't need to be tapping. You earn more coins, and also it will boost your level faster. It will boost your level faster. Imagine imagine somebody that just registered yesterday and he has level 4. Somebody that just registered yesterday and have level 4. And now I know somebody in my downline that have registered for a very long time and he have never reached level 4. So I don't know why. I don't know what the person is doing. I don't know whether he's still serious with his account. But what I'm trying to tell you that what I showed you, you should be doing it so that you can earn more reward quickly as possible. So thank you very much for watching. And if you find this video helpful to you, you can also click on that notification, click on that like, and click that notification so that anytime I drop a video, you'll get notified and you can watch it. Remember, the early the better.